Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video I am going to show you how to unlock your Tecno Pova 7 5G or any of the Tecno smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN, password and you're stuck at the lock screen. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here is my Tecno Pova 7 5G. Let's assume I no longer remember the PIN, password. I'm stuck here at this lock screen. So to remove any kind of security, you need to go to the settings or perform a hard reset to remove all of these security options we got. But for any of them, you need to go to the settings first. But since you are logged out of the device, you cannot go to the settings. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a hard reset right from the lock screen. If you no longer remember it, the Face ID is not working, the fingerprint ID is not working, and we're stuck here. But keep one thing in your mind, that whatever content you got on your device will be deleted. And if you were using a Google account on your smartphone, then it might ask you to enter your Google account credential one more time. So the very first thing you have to do right now is power off the device. Just tap on power off twice. Once the device is switched off, you need to press the power button and volume up button together. Press and hold them like this. Do not move your finger. Once the Tecno logo appears on the screen, you can move your finger from the power button, but keep pressing volume up until this screen appears. So here you can see we got multiple options. One of them is wipe data factory reset. So to navigate between the options, you need to use the volume keys. Volume down to go down, volume up to go up, and power button to select it. So use volume down to go to wipe data factory reset, then press the power key once to select this option. Then on the next screen you will find this message that this activity cannot be undone, the factory data reset, because everything will be wiped out. Press volume down to go to factory data reset, press power key once, and if you have a look here at the bottom, you can see some activity was going on, formatting of the data was happening actually, and it is completed as well. And by default the reboot system now option is selected. So all you have to do is press the power key once. Now the device will reboot. Once the rebooting is completed, we will go through the setup process, and then we will see if we got the access back to our Pova 7 5G or not. So here you can see that it is asking me to set up the unlock method. That means the previous one is gone. Let's finish the process and let's see whether we got the access back to our Pova 7 5G here or not. And here we go. So you can see we are at the home screen of our Tecno Pova 7 5G, and it is no longer asking me to enter the lock screen PIN. So this is how you can remove all kind of security, the Face ID, fingerprint ID, the lock screen PIN, password, etc. if you no longer remember it and you're stuck at the lock screen with no access to your device. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.